Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your PC game saves with Steam Cloud. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by launching the Steam application on your PC. Log into your Steam account if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to your game library from the home screen. Locate the game for which you want to back up save files. Right-click on the game title to reveal the context menu. Select Properties from the menu options. In the Properties window, click on the General tab. Look for the section labeled Cloud in the General settings. Ensure the box that says Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it is checked. If the box is checked, your game saves are already backed up to Steam Cloud. To confirm if your game supports this feature, check the Steam Cloud section on the game's store page. In the store page, find the game and scroll down to the Features section. Look for the Steam Cloud feature listed among the game attributes. If your game does not support Steam Cloud, consider checking the game's community hub for alternative save backup methods. To manually back up your game saves, navigate to your game's local files. In the Steam library, right-click on the game and select Manage. Then click on Browse Local Files to open the game's installation folder. Look for a folder named Saves or similar, where your save files may be stored. Copy the save files you wish to back up to a secure location, such as an external drive or cloud storage service. Once saved, you can restore them later by placing them back into the corresponding folder. If the game uses Steam Cloud, remember that your saves will sync automatically once you launch the game again. Close the game before making any alterations to your save files. Periodically check your Steam Cloud settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This will help protect all your progress and achievements in your favorite PC games. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.